In this video, I'm going to show you how to find volumes of rectangular prisms. I'll also show you how to solve problems involving volumes of rectangular prisms. So here we have a table that shows the dimensions of four rectangular prisms, Q, R, S, and T. And our question is, which rectangular prism has the greatest volume? So to move forward, we're going to find the volume of each of these rectangular prisms. So reminder, the formula to find volume of rectangular prism, V equals length times width times height. So we're going to use that formula to find the volume of each of these four rectangular prisms. So let's start with prism Q. Volume equals 8 times 4 times 5. And that is equal to 160. 160 feet cube. Next, prism R. Volume equals 6 times 7 times 12. And that is equal to 504. Next, we have prism S. Volume equals 4 times 10 times 12. And that is equal to 480. And finally, we have prism T. Volume equals 2 times 13 times 5. And that is equal to 130. So we have found the volumes of the four prisms. So A is equal to 160 feet cube. Prism R, 504 feet cube. Prism S, 480 feet cube. And prism T, 130 feet cube. Now to answer our question, which prism has the greatest volume? And we can see from the results that we get that prism R is the greatest volume. So our correct choice is B. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. And I do hope you find this very helpful.